I'm gonna be unboxing the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 camera. The main character, I'm going to be trying it soon. Like, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So quality test. So, can you guys see this? Hey you all, so today I'm gonna be unboxing the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 camera and I'm so excited. Yeah, this camera came along with an iPhone 17 Pro Max, which I'm currently using to vlog this video. And one thing I really like about the 17 Pro Max already is that it has a vlog mode, so you don't have to tilt your phone when filming for YouTube. You can like use that portrait form to film for YouTube and it's still going to work. Yeah, I really like that upgrade. So let's get into the unboxing. So guys, I've already unboxed this. Yeah, I've already opened it. I know what is inside because as I said, it was a surprise. So I was like eager to open it and like to see how the camera looks like because it has always been my dream camera. Like I've been reposting videos about this camera on TikTok for so long and finally, alhamdulillah. Yeah, so let's pretend I don't know what is inside and let's unbox again. So yeah, let's get into it. Yeah, so the box contain a pouch and then another small box. So this small box contains a case for the camera. Yeah, I think this is a protective case for the extra lens and then yeah, for the camera itself because DJI is very fragile. And then next we have the pouch, but I want to remove everything from this box before I go to the main character, before I like open the pouch to see what it contains. So there are manuals here for like guidelines on how to use the camera. Yeah, a whole bunch of paperwork. And then I think they gave me a DJI sticker, which is very cute. I don't even know what to use it for. I guess I'm going to give it to my kid sister, or yeah, I'm going to keep it maybe. Here comes the main character. Like, I can't believe I own a whole DJI, and it's a creator combo. So if you know, like, there are different types. You can get the camera alone and then you can get the creator combo, and I'm so excited because this is actually a surprise. I wasn't even specific if I wanted the creator combo, if I just wanted, all I knew is I wanted the camera. And then this is my first ever camera. And then, oh my God, I don't know. I just know I'm just so excited and I'm very grateful for it because DJI is no joke. Like, this camera is so expensive, especially the creator combo. Because, like, oh my God. And I wasn't expecting it any moments from now, and it just came. So just imagine. First off, we have a spare battery for the camera. I think this comes with only the creator combo, a spare battery for the camera, and then the DJI itself. This is what the camera looks like, and I'm going to be trying it soon. And guys, one thing I've realized about this camera is that it doesn't record anything. It doesn't record anything without an SD card. And this is the SD card port. Mine already has an SD card. I bought SD card 3 days after the camera came. Yeah, I had to rush because, girl, this is my first camera and it's a no joke. I'm not going to joke with this. Like, I love it so much. I had to get an SD card. It has an SD card port over here, and then this is the gimbal control, and then this is the record button. And it also comes with this thing, which I think is for mounting the tripod. Yeah, when you want to mount it on a tripod, you just fix. Oh my God, what am I doing? I don't want to break my camera. Okay, I figured out how to use it. So like, if you want to mount it on a tripod, you just have to insert this here, and then this is the hole for the tripod. You just screw it to attach to your tripod and you are good to go. If you want to take it off, you click the eject button and then you take it off. Yeah, and it also came with this camera stand. Yeah, so I think I would have to use this first before I can put on the camera stand, so that when I'm recording and I want to, like, when I'm recording and hands-free video, yeah, so I'd have to just put this down on my tabletop or anywhere safe so I can record my video. And one thing I'm so excited about is the fact that I'm going to get super good angle with this camera. Yeah, I'm going to get super good angles. And then it's not as large as my phone is. This is very, very portable. It's very, very small. Although my phone is portable too, but I mean, this is very tiny. Yeah, it's really small. And when I'm recording in public, like it's not going to be so obvious like when I'm using my phone. And then the quality is top notch. Yeah, it takes really good cinematic videos. That is why I've been wanting this camera for so long. And the fact that it came in the creator combo is crazy. So after the unboxing, I'm going to try on the camera and see. Yeah, since I have an SD card connected to it. And one thing I don't like about the camera is that, yeah, as people say so far, the reviews I've watched about it, they do say that the gimbal is very, very sensitive. Like if you play with it all the time, it's going to destroy it, which means I must be extra, extra careful. And if I tell you this camera is my new baby, like I'm not even capping, like I'm not kidding, because I'm holding it so tight. Like I sleep with it, I wake up with it, I go out with it, I literally do anything with it. So the creator combo pouch also came in with this microphone. Isn't this so cute? Okay, it has a case on it right now, but this is what the raw microphone looks like. Let me take off the pouch to like show you guys. This is what the raw microphone looks like. Actually, I wanted to, this pouch is a gift. Yeah, it's actually a gift. And I wanted to get a pouch, but I didn't know the camera would come. Like, obviously, I didn't know the camera would come. I'd have gotten a pouch long time, and then the pouch would even arrive and wait for the camera. But then I've ordered the pouch and then the lens protector on Timu, and I can't wait for it to come. Like 2 weeks feels like 3 years for me at the moment. Yeah, so as I said, the camera is very, very fragile. So I got a camera lens protector for this lens, and then for the screen. Yeah, so that's what I'm currently waiting for. And immediately it arrives, I'm going to make another video to show how I'm going to accessorize my DJI camera, of course, because I have to. It's a must. Yeah. And then you see, one thing I like about this DJI microphone, the fact that, I've been seeing those influencers hold it. Like, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I can't believe I'm a DJI owner now. So I'm so excited about this. I really love this. And when I tried this microphone, it was working like magic. Even the DJI without microphone, like, is so good. It's so good. The noise cancellation is very, very good. The pouch also came with a Type C cable. So I think for this Type C cable, it's for charging the camera batteries, and then it's for transferring files from the camera to your device, like your mobile phone, your laptop, MacBook, or whatever device you use for editing. Yeah, I think that is what this cord is used for. And then it also came with an extra lens. This is the wide angle lens. So if you want to change, like if you want to get that wide angle, that good view, you are good to change your lens to this one. And I'm super excited about it. Yeah, I wish I can even use it for my phone right now, but it's not gonna work. Yeah, so I can't wait. I have a DJI. Like, I'm super excited. I've been making noise about this ever since this camera arrived, and I know by now all my siblings are super tired of me because you don't know, you should know how I've been bragging about it. Lastly, it came with this magnet. And the magnet, I think, is for the microphone. Although I haven't read the manual, I don't know what it's for, but obviously it's for the microphone. It's for attaching the microphone to your dress or something, you see. So like this. If you don't want to clip it, there is a clipper you can open here and close. So like if you don't want to do it this way, you can just use the magnets. Yeah. Oh, this works like, I love this so much. So this is all that the DJI contains, and now it's time to try the DJI camera and see what it's going to look like. I've actually heard that the quality isn't really good when you are in an enclosed area, like in a bedroom like this, but yet still I'm gonna try it out because I have to try it and see whether it's true or not, since I have it with me now. So let's try it on and see. All right guys, so quality test. So This is what the raw footage of the DJI looks, and I really love the quality. And it's more convenient because, like, you know, I can use my phone when vlogging. At first, when I'm using my phone to vlog, I can't use it, I can't reply messages, I have to vlog and finish. But yo, now I've got the camera, so I can use both at a time. And I really love this. I really love this. Let me try the focus and see. Can you guys see this? The focus is so good. I'm not gonna lie, I love this camera so much. Like, I love everything about it. Tell me why I'm vlogging and yet still my hands doesn't feel heavy. It doesn't feel like I'm holding something really heavy. Like, are you seeing the quality? Are you seeing this? And also, I don't want to discourage anybody and make you feel like you need a camera. And also, if you want to start YouTube, you can start with your phone. I started with my phone too, and then it depends on how you're going to edit it. It's going to make your videos come out so crisp. Is it crisp? Crisp. So crisp and clear and very neat. Yeah, you know, yeah, both camera and phone are good, but just that the camera is better, that doesn't mean your phone isn't better. Girl, you can start. If you want to start the YouTube, just get started. Don't wait for the camera before. You can start, and then along the line, yeah, you get the camera. Yeah, I think I'm done with the review, and I'm about to switch up to my phone and then see the difference, the actual difference between the DJI and my phone. And mind you, right now the DJI is not connected to any microphone. This microphone you are seeing here is connected to my phone, yeah, not the DJI. So guys, my honest review for this DJI camera is that it's very good. Yeah, I haven't used it, but then yeah, I can, you know, if you see something good, you know it's good. If you see something quality, and if something is going to be very quality, you know it's going to be very quality. This camera is very good. And the fact that I'm still getting to know how to use it, so I've downloaded a whole video about the lecture of this camera, and then I'm still learning how to use this camera. I'm still learning how to connect the microphone. I'm still learning how to color grade it and all that. So you guys should be expecting quality and crisp vlogs. Yeah. And I know it's going to eat down with the case. Yeah, I bought a pink case, a baby pink case, and I know it's going to eat down. I actually wanted to get a brown case, but I didn't get a brown case, so I just had to go in for the pink instead of orange. I know orange is a nice color too, but then pink is cooler, so I just went in for pink, and I can't wait to rock this camera. And thank you all for watching. See you guys in another video. Bye.